Hello guys, before we start on the first steps on building an app with Popcode, I'm going to explain a little bit about the main idea behind Popcode, the structural thinking that makes everything happen. And if you can understand this really well, you're going to build apps really fast. So first of all, we log in and I will explain you a little bit about data management. That here is everything. First of all, the concept here is that everything it's a thing. It's really obvious, but it's like that. And everything has a type. So for example, if we want to register as a user, we will need a thing type that is called users. If you want to upload for example, a car for a driving app, the cars are things types. It's a thing type, a car. And then every thing type has a series of attributes. Each attribute is an attribute of a thing type. For example, if we have a user, every user has a name, a last name, an email, a password. Each one of those is an attribute for us. So the one of you that are already familiar with database, for you are thinking already this is a table of the database, and mainly it is. In Popcode we don't have a different area for the database or different system. It's all inside the same system. So the logic of the app, the screens of the app, the client side and the server side, everything it's Popcode. You don't have to know different languages or nothing. Everything is inside the same system. So essentially we are building a database when we are building thing types. Okay, so for example, if you want to create a new app or program, we have it inside the data management in program type. For example, I can see all the programs that I have. Here are all the programs that I built inside Popcode. But for example, the screens there are also a thing type. All the screens are here, and I can check all the screens that I have, that there are many. Every single thing inside Popcode, it has a type and it's inside a thing type. Okay, so we are going to build everything that we want in data management. Then we will have the screen builder. Here is the other essential part of Popcode. Inside here, we will be able to build any kind of screen, mobile screen or web screen. Inside here we can just build. For example, I have here the tree. Inside the tree we will have every component. For example, a container, just a container, and I can, for example, say I will put it in Flex 1. The ones that of you that they are not familiar with Flex, I can recommend to read about Flexbox. This is the way that we build screens inside Popcode. So here we can create the design and also the logic. The logic is inside the events in the logic builder. So we are going to go deep inside the logic builder in another video. So right now we've seen the data management and the screen builder. You should know also that inside the screen builder you are going to build it in your own way, or you will be able to import from Figma using your URL and the screen. Here you will be able to add a screen from Figma and you will not have to design anything. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to build your first app really quickly, so you are going to understand every aspect of Popcode.